Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Humera Tahir, your English teacher. Today we are going to start this textbook of your English, and we are going to discuss about the syllabus, books and paper pattern of your Punjab textbook board English syllabus. Okay, my dear students, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. These are the words of Nelson Mandela. And in order to get the maximum from anything, you have to go through it wholeheartedly. So I hope that you are all ready to start your syllabus with full zeal and zest. Okay. In your English syllabus, there are two books. The one is English textbooks, class 9, and the other one is English grammar and composition. You have to buy these two books because you have to go through all the lessons in English in your textbook, and we will go learn the grammar lessons, letters, tenses, and everything from the English grammar and composition. So you have to buy these two books. Okay. Then you have to keep a note copy for with you so that you can write letters and do tenses and active passive on this copy. Understand? Now these are the three documents you have to keep: two books and one copy. Okay. Now look at the sketch. Here is an image of your board paper. Look at this sketch. Your objective paper comprises 19 marks. In total, you have 75 marks in English, but objective part contains 19 marks. Question 1 is you have to choose the correct form of verb. Options A, B, C, D will be given, and the blank spaces will be left for the correct form of verb, and you have to choose the right answer. Next question will be of 4 marks, and these will be about choosing correct spellings. Same again, options A, B, C, D will be given, and you will have to choose the correct spelling of the given word. Third question is about the synonyms and the antonyms. So you have to choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. And question number 4 is that different questions about the grammar topics will be asked to you, and you have to choose the answer accordingly, the question which is given in the blank. Understand? Then comes your subjective paper. It has 56 marks, and the division of the marks will be like this. In question number 2, you have to answer any 5 of the questions out of 8. And this question contains 10 marks. You have to do 5 answers, and it will have 2 in cross 5, that is 10. Then there will be a next section. 3 passages from your textbook will be given, and you would have to translate any 2 of them, and each passage has the weightage of 4 marks. Then comes the poem. You have to write the summary of the poem. There are 2 poems in your syllabus, Daffodils and The Stopping by Woods. And in the paper, you have to write the summary of any of these poems which is asked to you. And there is a choice then that either you have to write the summary, or other way you have to do the paraphrase of the stanza given in the taken from the poem, and it will be a choice for you to write the summary or the paraphrase. Now next question will be, use any 5 of the following words and phrases or idioms into your sentences. These words are also taken from your textbook, and you have to make their meaningful sentences. Next question is that you have to write a letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. Actually, there are 15, in total 15 letters in your grammar and composition, and you will have to write the letter which is asked to you in the paper. But there is a choice between letter and story and dialogue. But it's better to choose letter for this question. Next is question. Read the following passage carefully and answer the question at the end. These comprehension passages are also given in your grammar and composition. Few of them are solved, and others are not solved, but you have to prepare all of them, and any one of them will be given in the paper, and you would have to answer the questions related to that paragraph. Okay, next question will be of translation tenses. All the 12 tenses are included in your paper, and the exercises related to those tenses are in your grammar and composition. You have to prepare the tenses from over there, and then you will able to translate these Urdu sentences into English. Then next question is, change the voice of the following. Active passive, yes, you have to prepare the change of voice of all tenses, and then you will be able to uh, change the voice of the given sentences. 5 sentences will be given to you, and you would have to solve all of them into the voice which is asked to you. In case of tenses, 8 sentences will be given, and you will have to translate any 5. But in case of change in voice, only 5 will be given, and you would have to do all. Now, hope you understand the paper pattern and the books. Now you need to buy your books, so that in the next video we shall start the first chapter of your books, The Savior of Mankind, and you would be ready to do your lesson. I'm giving you time to buy your books and get yourself ready. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will start first lesson. Now you need to be prepared for that. Okay, Allah Hafiz.